Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw Chainlink from KuCoin to Kraken in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with the evolving tech in the blockchain space. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this like a pro, saving time and avoiding common pitfalls. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and Kraken. Double-check that your Chainlink, Link, tokens are in your KuCoin wallet. Security is key in 2025, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Head over to the Assets or Wallet section and find your Chainlink holdings. Click on Withdraw next to Link. You'll see a form pop up. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient address, which is your Kraken wallet address. Pro tip: always verify this address on Kraken first to avoid any mistakes. Step 2. Select the blockchain network for the withdrawal. In 2025, Chainlink might support faster networks like Ethereum 2.0 or even Layer 2 solutions, so choose the one that matches your Kraken setup for optimal speed and lower fees. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember to account for network fees, which could be dynamic based on congestion. In 2025, these might be even more efficient, but always leave a buffer to ensure the full amount goes through. Step 4. Review and confirm everything. Double-check the address, amount, and fees. Once you're good, hit confirm, and you'll get a transaction ID. Now, it's time to wait. Most withdrawals take 10 to 30 minutes, but it can vary. Finally, once it's done, log into Kraken and check your wallet. Your Chainlink should be there. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, reach out to the exchange support or check Blockchain Explorers. There you have it, folks. Withdrawing Chainlink from KuCoin to Kraken is straightforward when you follow these steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.